First of all, thanks for being here in my YouTube channel. So in this lesson number 2 on the topic problems on ages, we are going to solve 12 questions that is based on the concept called thrice the age, twice the age, or otherwise 5 times the age. So these are the questions can be seen repeatedly in many competitive exam and also in IT sector interviews. So that is the reason why we are going to solve 12 questions in this video. So if you are a beginner, don't forget to watch my previous lesson, that is lesson number 1, because in lesson number 1 we have learned the introduction and the basics, and also we have solved 8 basic questions. So only after watching lesson number 1, watch lesson number 2. So before solving 12 questions, there are 2 important notes, very important note where most of the students will make a mistake here. Just read the 2 points. Point number 1, father age is 3 times the age of his son, and second point, father is aged 3 times more than his son. So when you look at both the points, there is a small difference right here. In this point, father age is 3 times. Similarly, in the second point, we have father age is 3 times. But listen the word carefully. Here we have a word more, which plays a major role. Let me do one thing. We can frame an equation for this question number 1. Listen here. Father age is 3 times the age of his son. So what they are saying, when compared to a son, where the father age is 3 times old. So let me do one thing. We can assume son age is x. In this case, I am saying, right? I am just assuming that the son age is x. Then what about the father age? So father age will be 3x. So simple logic, right? So father age is 3 times old when compared to his son. So this is the answer for point number 1. Next point number 2. Most important, see here, father is aged 3 times more than his son. For example, if you take son age is x, then the father age will be x plus 3x. Friends, got it? So listen here, friends, most important, father age is 3 times. Here father age is 3 times. So father age is 3 times more. The word more is important. So father age is 3 times more than his son. So we can say the father age here will be 4x and son age will be x. So just see the difference between both the points. So in this point, what they are saying is father age is 3 times the son's age, but here father age is 3 times more than the son's age. So here father is equal to 4x and son is equal to x, but in this case son is equal to x, father is equal to 3x. So most important. So let me move on to all the 12 questions. Just if you are a beginner, take a note of it, right? Only then you can able to solve some of the toughest questions. So just take a note of it. Now let me move on to all the 12 questions. Question number 1. I am 3 times old as my son. 15 year ends, I will be twice as old as my son. The sum of our ages. So understood. In the first point, what they are saying, I am 3 times as old as my son. Let me do one thing. We can keep the letter I as a father. So father age is 3 times as old as my son. So let me fix the value. Initially, we can fix the age of father and also son. Right? So here the father is saying, I am 3 times old as my son. So let me fix the age of son as x. Then the father age will be 3x. So I am 3 times old as my son. In the second point, 15 year ends. What is the meaning of the word ends? So ends determines the future. So after 15 years. So plus 15, let me do one thing, right? So after 15 years. So the father age will be 3x plus 15 and the son age will be x plus 15. So after 15 years, I will be twice. So father will be twice as old as my son. Listen here, father age, that is I will be twice, 2 times, that is twice as old as my son. So son age will be x plus 15. So friends, got the point, right? So father age, I am 2 times the age of the son, as old as son. So we can say 3x plus 15. After 15 years, father age is twice compared to his son. So now we need to solve this. So this can be written as 3x plus 15 is equals to 2x plus 30. And what is our target? Our target to find sum of their ages. So let me do one thing. 2x and 3x, this can be written as x So 15 and 30, when you subtract this, the value of x will be 15. So finally we got the value of x is equal to 15, and initially we have assumed that the son age is x years, and now we found x is equal to 15. So we can say son age will be 15 and the father age 15 into 3 will be 45. So 45 is a father age and the son age was 15. But what is our target? Our target to find sum of their ages. So sum of their ages will be 45 plus 15 will be 60 here. So finally we got an answer for question number 1. 60 here will be the answer for this question. Question number 2. The sum of present age of A and B is 11 times the difference of their ages. 5 years hence, their total age will be 13 times the difference of their ages. So what will be the present age of a elder one, right? Elder one. So listen here, the sum of present age of A and B, they are saying, talking about the present age of A and B. So present age of A and B is 11 times their difference. What is called as difference? Difference is subtraction, right? So let me frame my equation. Sum of present age of A and B, sum. So A plus B. So sum of present age of A and B is equals to 11 times the difference of their ages. So 11 times the difference of their ages will be A difference B. So A difference B can be taken as A minus B. So now let me find what is the value of A and B. So A plus B is equals to 11A minus 11B. So once you bring this A towards right hand side, it becomes 11A minus A is equals to, while you bring this minus 11B towards left hand side, it becomes B plus 11B. So this can be written as 10A is equals to 12B. You can cancel this on 2 table. So this will be 5 times, this will be 6 times. So A divided by B is equals to 6 divided by 5. So this can be written as A is to B is equals to 6 is to 5. So finally we got the ages are in a ratio that is 6 is to 5. So what is the second point? 5 years ends. What is called as ends? So ends determines the future. So after 5 years. So let me do one thing, and we found the present age of both the person is 6 is to 5, and the elder one will be the person A, because his ratio is more, so definitely will be the elder one, and the B will be the younger one. So listen here, they are saying after 5 years. 5 years ends determines after 5 years. So 6x plus 5 will be the age of the person A and the person B. So 5x plus 5. Okay, after 5 years, their total age, so the total age will be 13 times the difference of their ages. So after 5 years, the total age, let me add this. So 6x plus 5 plus 5x plus 5. Why we are adding both the person age? Because they are saying after 5 years the total ages. So person A and person B, the total age is equals to 13 times. So 13 times difference of their ages. So difference of their ages will be 6x, difference 5x, which is subtraction. Got it, friends? So total age after 5 years is equals to 13 times the difference of their ages. So now let me solve this. So 6x and 5x will be 11x. 5 plus 5 will be 10 is equals to, so 6x minus 5x will be x, so 13x. So 13x minus 11x will be 2x. So 2x is equal to 10. So finally we got the value of x is equal to 5. And what is our target? Our target to find the age of the elder one. And we already know that elder one will be the person A. So A is equals to 6x. And now we found the value of x is equal to 5. So 6 into 5 will be 30. So elder one age will be 30 years. So finally we got the answer for question number 2 is 30 years. Question number 3. The present age of father is 3 years more than 3 times the age of his son. 3 years ends, father age will be 10 years more than twice the age of the son. The father present ages. Interesting question. So listen the first point carefully. The present age of father. So they are talking about 2 persons, that is father and son. So initially let me assume the present age, right? So present age of son and the father. So what they are saying is, let me assume the son age is x, because we don't know both the person age. So initially let me assume the son age is x. So the present age of father, so present age of father is 3 years. So 3 years more than 3 times the age of the son. So 3 years more than 3 times the age of the son. So 3x. Friends, got it? So son age is x and the father age will be 3 years more than 3 times the son age. So we can say 3 plus 3x will be father present age and the present age of son will be x. And the next point, 3 years ends. So ends determines the future. So after 3 years, so future age. So after 3 years, son age will be x plus 3 and the father age will be 3x plus 6, right? So this will be after 3 years. So after 3 years, father age will be 10 more than twice the age of the son. So listen the word carefully. After 3 years, father age. So father age is 10 more than twice the age of the son, that is x plus 3. Friends, got it? So important equation, listen here. Father age is equal to 10 more than that is plus, right? So 10 more than twice the age of the son. So now we need to solve this equation, and what is our target? Our target to find the father's present age. So father present age will be 3 plus 3x, right? So let me solve this equation and we can find what is the value of x. So this can be written as 3x plus 6 is equal to 10 plus 2x plus 6. So 3x and 2x, the value will be x. I think you can cancel 6 and 6 here. So the value of x will be 10. And our target to find the father's present age. So 3 plus 3 into 10. 10 into 3 will be 30. 30 plus 3 will be 33. So finally the father present age will be 33. So which will be the answer for question number 3. Question number 4. 10 years ago, daughter age was 2/5 of her mother's age at that time. While 10 years ends, her age will be 3/5 of her mother age. Then find the difference in their ages of the two. So interesting, I think they are talking about two conditions. One is 10 years ago and the second condition after 10 years, right? So let me do one thing, we can fix the daughter age and mother age, right? I am just going to fix daughter age as x and the mother age as y because both the ages are unknown. And first point, 10 years ago, right? They are talking about the past. So 10 years ago, so this can be written as x minus 10. So daughter age will be x minus 10 and the mother age will be y minus 10. So 10 years ago, daughter age was 2/5. 2/5, the meaning of 2/5 is 2 by 5, right? 2 by 5 of her mother's age. So we can say 10 years ago where the daughter age is 2/5, that is 2 by 5 of the mother age, that is y minus 10. So this is condition number 1. And the second condition, what they are saying is, while 10 years ends, so ends determines the future, 10 years, after 10 years. So after 10 years, this can be written as x plus 10. Similarly, mother age will be y plus 10. So after 10 year, where 3/5 of the mother's age, they are saying that the daughter's age will be 3/5 of the mother's age. So we can say after 10 year, 3 by 5 of the mother age. So this is condition number 2. And what is our target? Our target to find the difference in their ages. So let me do one thing, we can solve both the equation and then we can find the value of x and y, no other way, right? So first we can solve equation number 1. I am just going to cross this 5 in the left hand side. So 5 into x will be 5x. So 5 into minus 10 will be minus 50. And remaining we have 2 into y minus 10. So 2 into y will be 2y. Minus of 2 into 10 will be minus 20. So 5x minus 2y is equals to minus 20 plus 50 will be 30. So this will be equation number, let me assume this as equation number 1. So we have already assumed this, so we can assume this as equation number 3. So similarly we need to solve this equation. Let me multiply the 5 in left hand side, that is 5x plus 50. So 5x plus 50 is equals to 3y plus 30. So 3y plus 30. So 5x minus 3y is equals to 30 minus 50 will be minus 20. So this could be equation number 4. So finally we have solved both the equation. So let me do one thing, here we have 5x and here also we have 5x. So we can subtract equation 3 and equation 4. So if you subtract equation 3 and equation 4, So we can write this as 5x minus 2y is equals to 30, and the second equation we have 5x minus 3y is equal to minus 20. So once you subtract both the equation, we can subtract this will be positive, this will be positive, and you can cancel both the x term. So 3x minus 3y minus 2y will be y. 30 plus 20 will be 50. So finally we got the value of y is equal to 50. If y is equal to 50, then we can say the age of the mother will be 50. And next, substitute the value of y in any of the equations so that we can find what is the daughter age, that is x value. I am going to substitute y equal to 50 in equation 3. So this can be written as 5x minus 2 into 50 will be 100. So minus 100 is equal to 30. So 5x is equal to 130. So cancel this. 10 times remaining will be 360. So x is equal to 26. So finally we got the age of the daughter is 26 and the mother age will be 50. And what is our target? Our target to find the difference in their ages. So difference of 26 and 50 will be 24. So finally we can say answer for this question number 4 is 24. It's really interesting, but you have to learn how to solve both the equation. That is important, right? So remember that 2/5 should be written as 2 by 5. Similarly, next point 3/5 should be taken as 3 by 5. Question number 5. Father is aged 3 times more than his son Arun. After 8 years, he would be 2.5 times of Arun's age. After further 8 years, how many times would he be of Arun's age? Really interesting question, but remember that the first point of the question is most important. Initially I have told you 2 notes, right? So I think this question is note number 2, because in note number 2 what I have told you, there is a small difference between thrice and 3 times more. So listen the word carefully. Father is aged 3 times more than his son. So we can say the present age of son. Well, if we keep the present age of son as x, then the father age will be x plus 3x, so which is 4x. So most important, do not make mistake here. So we can assume the son age will be x and the father age will be 4x, right? The first point, father age is 3 times more than the son's age, so 3x plus 4 will be 4x. After 8 years, it would be 2.5 times the Arun's age, right? After 8 years, so they are talking about the future, they are talking about the future age. So after 8 years, where the son age will be x plus 8 and the father age will be 4x plus 8. So after 8 years, he would be 2.5 times of Arun's age. So father age 4x plus 8, he will be 2.5 times. So 1 by 2, 2.5 times of his son's age, that is x plus 8. So 2.5 can be written as 2 into 2 will be 4. So 4 plus 1 will be 5. So this can be written as 5 by 2. So 5 divided by 2. And what is our target after further 8 years? So another 8 years. So let me find what is the value of x initially, right? So 4 into 2 will be 8x. 8 into 2 will be 16 is equals to 5x plus 40. So 8x and 5x will be 3x. So 3x is equal to 40 minus 16. So this will be 24. 24. So 3x is equal to 24. So x is equal to 8. So finally we got a value of x is equal to 8. So we can say the present age of son will be 8 years and the present age of father will be 8 into 4 will be 32. Right? So present age of son is 8 and the present age of father is 32. And what is our target after further 8 years? So from the present age we have already calculated the first future, right? And another after 8 years. So here we need to add 8 and another further 8 years determines another after 8 years. So 8 and 8. So we can say 8 first future, that is 8 plus 8 will be 16. Again 16 plus 8 will be 24. So we can say son age will be 24. Next is father. So father present age is 32. First 8 years and further 8 years will be 16 years. So 32 plus 16 will be 48. So 48 will be the father age after 16 year and the son age will be 24 after 16. And what is our target? How many times would have been of Arun's age, right? Listen here, while comparing Arun, how many times the father age? 2 times, right? Because son age is 24, then 2 times is father age. So finally we can say after 16 years, father age is 2 times that of his son's age, that is Arun's age. So we can say answer is 2 times. So father age is 2 times that of his son's age. Interesting question. So remember that, don't forget, the 2 points, that is 2 note which I have taught you initially, most important. So 3 times more should be taken as 4x. And here they are talking about first 8 years and further 8 years determines totally 16 years. So from here 16 years the son age will be 24. So from the present age of father 32, 16 year, then father age will be 48. So finally answer for this question, father age is 2 times then the son's age. Question number 6. If the ages of A and C are added to twice the age of B, the total becomes 59. If the age of B and C are added to thrice the age of A, then the total becomes 68. And if the age of A is added to thrice the age of B and thrice the age of C, then the total becomes 108. What is the age of A? It seems to be completely different, right, this question. So what they are saying is, if the age of A and C is added to twice the age of B. So listen here, I think we need to frame an equation because they have given 3 conditions. The first condition is the age of A and C. So age of A and C are added to thrice the age of B. So these 2 person age is added to thrice the age of person B. So the total becomes 59. So let me assume this as equation number 1. Got it? Second point, if the age of B and C, so age of B and C, okay, are added to thrice the age of A. So this is added to thrice the age of A. So thrice will be 3A. So thrice the age of A, and now the total becomes 68. Okay, so 68, let me assume this as equation number 2. And the last point, if the age of A, so age of A is added to thrice the age of B. So age of A is added to thrice the age of B and thrice the age of C, okay, and the total becomes 108. Okay, so by using this 3 equation, what is our target? Our target to find what is the age of A. How we need to solve this equation? 3 equation is given. So our target to find the value of A, right? A's age. So let me do one thing. Listen here friends, I am just going to multiply equation number 2 by 3. So if I multiply equation number 2 by 3, it becomes 3b and 3c. In equation number 3 already we have 3b 3c. So we can easily cancel b and c. We will get an answer in A. Listen carefully. So what I am going to do is I am going to multiply this equation number 2 by 3. So if I multiply this by 3, so 3b plus 3c plus 3 into 3 will be 9. So 9a is equals to 68 into 3 will be 204. So 204. Okay, so next point, let me keep this equation number 3 as it is. So here we have 3b plus 3c plus a is equals to 108. So now we can subtract both the equations, so minus, minus, minus and minus, so that we can cancel plus 3b minus 3b. Similarly plus 3c minus 3c. So we have 9a minus a will be 8a is equals to 204 minus 108. 96, right? So 96. So finally 8a is equals to 96. So a is equals to 1 8s are 8, remainder will be 1 16 12. So a is equal to 12. I think our target to find only the value of A. Okay, got it. So what is the age of A? So we can say the age of A is equals to 12 years. Interesting question. So I think by reading the question we need to frame the equation correctly. So twice, thrice, so these are the words are most important. So finally answer for question number 6, the A age is 12 years. Question number 7. Meena married 10 years ago. Today her age is 7 by 5 times her age at the time of her marriage. Her daughter age is 1 by 5 of her age. What is the ratio of Meena's age to her daughter age after 5 years? So what they are saying is Meena married 10 years ago. So initially they are talking about the person Meena. So Meena married 10 years ago. Today her age is 7 by 5 times her age at the time of her marriage. So they are talking about past because 10 years ago, and also they are talking about today. So let me do one thing. Let me fix the Meena age as x, right? So we can fix Meena age as x. And now what they are saying, today her age is 7 by 5 times her age at the time of her marriage. And we already know that Meena marriage is 10 years ago. So we can say x minus 10 will be Meena's marriage age. At the time of marriage, her age will be x minus 10. And now today her age, so today Meena age is equals to 7 by 5 times her age at the time of marriage. So x minus 10. So this is the present age. So present age is equal to 7 by 5 times at the time of her marriage. So x minus 10. And next point, what they are saying, her daughter age is 1 by 5 of her age. So first let me find what is Meena's age now. So once you cross this, this becomes 5x is equals to 7x minus 70. So 7x minus 5x will be 2x. So 2x is equal to 70. So x is equal to 35. So finally we can say that the age of the person Meena is 35. Okay. And what is her daughter age is 1 by 5 of her age. So 1 by 5, listen here, what they are saying is daughter age is 1 by 5 of her age. And now, just now we have calculated her age is 35. So once you cross this will be 7. So we can say daughter age will be 7 year. So 7 year is daughter age and Meena age will be 35. And what is our target? So what is the ratio of Meena's age to her daughter's age? Our target to find the ratio of Meena and daughter after 5 years, right? We already know that present age of Meena is 35. So after 5 years, Meena age will be 40. And similarly, the present age of daughter is 7 years, and after 5 years, the daughter age will be 12. And now our target to find the ratio, right? So 40 is to 12. So I think we can cancel this on 4 table. This will be 10 times 3 times. So after 5 years, the ratio of Meena and her daughter will be in the ratio that is 10 is to 3. So finally answer for question number 7 is 10 is to 3. Question number 8. The sum of the ages of father and son is 45 years. 5 years ago, the product of their ages was 4 times the father age at that time. The present age of father and son are. So initially what they are saying is sum of the ages of father and son is 45 years. They are saying that the son age, let me keep the son age as x and the father age as y, right? So this will be son. We are just assuming that son age is x here and the father age will be y. The sum of ages of father and son is 45 years. So we can say x plus y is equals to 45, right? So 45 years, okay? So 5 years ago, the meaning of ago is past, right? So 5 years ago, then the son age will be x minus 5. And similarly, the father age will be y minus 5 is equals to 45. So x plus y is equals to 35. So this will be the sum of age that is past, right? And this is present. So sum of the present age, some age will be x plus y is equal to 45, and the past sum of their age x plus y is equal to 35, right? Okay, next point, 5 years ago, okay, so 5 years ago, product of their ages. So here we have calculated sum, but here they are talking about the product. So product of their ages. So x into y, 4 times the father age. So 4 times the father age, that is y. Listen here friends, I think we can easily calculate what is the value of x, because here they are talking about 5 years past where the product of both the ages is equal to 4 times the father. So we can cancel y and y. So finally we got x is equal to 4. So substitute x is equal to 4 here. Once you substitute x is equal to 4, 35 minus 4 will be 31. So we can say the value of y will be 31. So this will be the past age. So past age, father age will be 31 and the son age will be 4. And what is our target? Our target to find the present age. So present age, I think they are talking about 5 years back. So present age we need to add 5. So 5 plus 4 will be 9. So present age, age of son plus 5 will be 9. Similarly, present age of father, that is 36. Right? We need to find the ages of both the person, right? So age of father will be 36 and the age of son will be 9. Question number 9. In a family, a couple has a son and a daughter. The age of a father is 4 times that of his daughter, and the age of the son is half of his mother. The wife is 10 years younger to her husband, and the brother is 6 years older than his sister. What is the age of the mother? So interesting. In the first point, they are talking about in a family, a couple has a son and daughter. So totally in a family there are 4 members, right? So father and a mother and also son and a daughter, right? So couple has a son and a daughter, okay. And the first point, the age of father is 4 times that of his daughter. So let me assume daughter age is x, then the father age will be 4x, right? The father age is 4 times that of his daughter. So let me initially assume daughter age as x, then the father age will be 4x. Next point, and the age of the son is half of his mother. So age of the son is half of his mother. Okay, so next point, the wife is 10 years younger to her husband. Listen here, mother is 10 years younger, right? If it is younger, then we can say 4x minus 10. If it is older, we need to add 10, because mother, that is wife, is 10 years younger than his husband, so 4x minus 10. And the next point, on the brother, okay, brother is 6 years older than his sister, so 6 years older than his sister, then x plus 6. So finally daughter age will be x, son age will be x plus 6, mother is 4x minus 10, and father is 4x. And our target to find what is the age of a mother, right? Listen here, in the third point, they have clearly told that son age is half of his mother. So we can say son age x plus 6 is equal to half of his mother age, that is 4x minus 10. So once you cross this, 2x plus 12 is equals to 4x minus 10. So 4x and 2x will be 2x. So 12 plus 10 will be 22. So finally we can say the value of x will be 11. And according to the question, our target to find the age of a mother, right? So mother, so 4 into 11 minus 10. So 44 minus 10 will be 34. So finally we can say answer for this question, that is age of a mother is 34 years. Question number 10. 6 years ago, 3 times the age of B was 2 more than the age of A. If at that time 6 years ends, twice the age of B will be equal to A's age at that time. Find their total of their ages. So they are talking about 2 conditions here also. First condition is 6 years ago, and the second condition is after 6 years. So let me do one thing, we can fix B A, and we can fix B as x here, age will be x here, and A as y here, because every time they are comparing B with A. That's what I have taken, B as x and A as y. So first point, 3 times the age of B, right? 6 years ago, was 6 years ago, the age of B will be x minus 6 and age of A will be y minus 6. And 6 years ago, so B's age 3 times the age of B. So 3 times the age of B is equals to 2 more than the age of A. So 2 more than the age of A. So friends, got it. 3 times the age of B is equals to 2 more than the age of A. So let me solve this. This can be taken as 3x minus 18 is equals to 2 plus y minus 6. So this will be minus 4, right? So y minus 4. So this can be written as 3x minus y is equal to minus 4 plus 18 will be 14. So first equation, that we take this as 3x minus y is equal to 14. And the second condition, what they are saying is 6 years ends. So ends, they are talking about future. So after 6 years, this can be taken as x plus 6 and y plus 6. So after 6 years, twice the age of B. So twice the age of B, that is x plus 6. So twice the age of B, okay, will be equal to A's age at that time. So A's age at that time. Friends, got it. So after 6 years, so we have added 6, twice the age of B is equals to A's age at that time. So similarly we can solve this. 2x plus 12 is equals to y plus 6. So 2x minus y is equals to 6 minus 12 will be minus 6. So let me assume this as equation number 2. So now target to find the total age. No other way, we need to solve both the equation. So first equation, 3x minus y is equal to 14, and the second equation, 2x minus y is equal to minus 6. So we can subtract both the equations, so minus plus and the plus, so that we can cancel both the y term. So 3x minus 2x will be x. So 14 plus 6 will be 20. So finally we can say that the value of x will be 20. So substitute the value of x in any one of this equation to find what is the value of y. So we can substitute x is equal to 20 here. So 20 into 3 will be 60. So minus y is equals to 14 minus 60. So minus y is equal to minus 46. So y is equal to 46. So which means the age of the person A will be 46 years, and the age of the person B, that is X, will be 20 years. But our target to find what is the total. So 46 plus 20 will be 66. So finally answer for this question is 66 years. Last question. Sneha's mother age is 5 years more than twice the age of Sneha. When Sneha was born, her brother Rahul was 4 years older and her father was 2 years older than the mother. If the average age of her mother and father is 46 years, find the ratio of Rahul to that of Sneha. I think in this question we have 4 persons, right? Sneha's mother and his brother Rahul, and also they are talking about the father. So let me do one thing. We can take father. Okay, second is a mother, that is Sneha's mother. They are comparing every person with Sneha, right? And also Sneha brother called as Rahul. Okay, so Rahul and also Sneha. So let me assume the age of Sneha is X, right? Initially Sneha mother age is 5 years more than twice the age of Sneha. So mother age is 5 years more than twice the age of Sneha, right? And the second point, when Sneha was born, her brother Rahul was 4 years old. So 4 years old, then we can say X plus 4 will be the Rahul's age. And a father 2 years older than the mother. So father age is 2 years older than the mother. So add 2 plus 2. So this can be written as 2x plus 7. So 2 years older than the mother. Okay, I think finally we have wrote the age of all the person. Okay, what is the next point? If the average age of our mother and father. So mother and father average age is 46, right? So they are saying father and mother average age will be 46. Got it, friends? Average age of 2 persons, so divide by 2 is equal to 46. Let me substitute father 2x plus 7 and the mother will be 5 plus 2x is equal to 46 into 2 will be 92. So this can be written as 4x plus 12 is equal to 92. So 4x is equal to 80. So x is equal to 20. So finally we got the value of x is equal to 20. And at the last point, what is our target? Find the ratio of age of Rahul to that of Sneha. Our target to find the ratio of Rahul and Sneha, right? And we already found the value of x is equal to 20. So Sneha age will be 20, Rahul age will be 24. So 24 is to 20. I think we can cancel this on 4 table. So 5 4s are 20, 6 4s are 24. So finally the ratio of age of Rahul and to Sneha is 6 is to 5. Interesting question. So finally in this video we have solved 11 question, and 12th question I can solve in the next video, right? Because it's little bit different question. So if I solve here, then you will be having little bit of confusion. So better I can solve the 12th question in the next video. So thank you so much for watching this video, and if you really like this video, share this video to your friends so that your friends can also learn this. So after watching this video, don't forget to take your books and practice more and more number of questions that is based on this concept twice and thrice. So thank you so much for watching this video. Bye.